Two houses in one lot for the price of one. So ito na yung pinakasulit house dito ngayon sa BF Resort Village Las Piñas. Tingnan natin. May 2-car garage ka dito. Meron ka ring dalawang storage kasi 2 houses nga. Meron tong lot area na 153 square meters. Floor area, nasa mga 300 square meters. At ito na ang first house dito sa ground floor. Maluwag ang iyong living, dining. At meron ka ditong 3 bedrooms. Bedroom number 1. Meron ka ditong open lanay. At ang ganda ng kitchen. Ito yung common bathroom. Another bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Panoorin mo yung full house tour nito sa YouTube channel ng Home Search Philippines para makita mo naman yung